Maintenance and troubleshooting. Another factor that can limit your growth potential of this service is when things go wrong after they leave. Invariably, this comes down to not setting expectations or the client doing something they shouldn't. During the initial consultation, review the do's and don'ts of hair extensions. After completing the service, review them again. Remind them that some shedding with all hair extensions is completely normal and will not impact their overall look. Rebook at the time of checkout, but make sure to get that rebook nonetheless. Follow up, thank a client. Get them back in if they can. If a client doesn't know their schedule, set a time to call them in 6 weeks to work towards that rebooking in the next week or two after that. You want to work on solidifying your relationship with that client and keep their look fully maintained. When a client emails or calls you with a problem, it's important to identify the cause. This can only be done with a face-to-face inspection or, at the very least, pictures. If your placement pattern was correct, if the extension or extensions come out, where they come out can be telling. Back of the neck section. Often caused by heavy-duty blowouts, pulling too hard with the brush while doing so. The extensions may also be catching on scarves that pull the extensions when the client rips off their scarf. The crown area. Teasing the hair too hard, pulling on their hair as a habit, or from the use of tight ponytails that can put pressure on the bond. The frontal or side areas. Often caused by scratching at the bond as a nervous tick, or from overbrushing. Your client must return to you for maintenance and reevaluation in 8 to 12 weeks, so book their next appointment before they leave your salon.